Hi friends, welcome all to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to remember the table of trigonometric ratios easily. So trigonometric ratios in the sense sin theta, cos theta, tan, cot and all is trigonometric ratios, and we have angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. For all the trigonometric sums we should remember for sin 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and all, and how to remember this we can see to it. So first the simple step is just remember for sin theta. Just remember for sin. This is our first step. Just write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? This is our first step. And divide all the numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. This is our second step. Divide it by 4. Don't memorize these kind of angles. Just remember it. You will be getting easier the values easily. Just square root it, whole square, square root 0 divided by 4, right? 1 by 4, 2 divided by 4, whole power square root, we have everything else. So this is the value for sin 0 degree, 30 degree for this and 45 degree. So 0 divided by 4 it's 0, right? So 1 by 4 in the sense square root of 1 by 4 is, we know it's 1 by, right? While it's out of square root it will be like this. So square root and square root get cancelled, so it will be 1 by 2. So we obviously everyone know that 1 by square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. So 45 degree you will be getting 1 by root 2, right? You will be getting 1 by root 2, and root square root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2, and 90 degree 4 divided by 4 it's 1, root 1 it's 1. So for sine we have found the values, right? So this is easier. Just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide it by 4, and opposite of sine equal to cos. Clear? Just remember opposite of sine is cos. We will get all the table values for this. Just remember first step. And opposite of, see here, sine 90 degree will be for cos 0 degree. So write here 1, and here we have root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, and here it's common for 45 degree both, 1 by root 2, and here we have 1 by 2, and here sine 0 degree is 0, so cos 90 degree is 0. Clear? Now coming to tan theta. What's tan theta first of all? Sin theta divided by cos theta equal to tan theta. So this value divided by this. Clear? So 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by root 3 by 2. So what will be the value? It's nothing like 1 by 2 into its reciprocal, root 3 by, 2 by root 3. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 3 is the value. 1 by root 3. Is it clear? Here 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. From the question itself we can, you see from the value itself we can cancel it. Clear? And here root 2 get cancelled. Tan 45 degree is 1. So here we have root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. The value is root 3. 1 divided by 0 it's nothing. Infinity. It is not defined. So here for tan theta, opposite of tan is cot. Opposite of tan theta equal to, opposite of tan theta equal to cot theta. Clear? So write its opposite. So here we have 90 degree undefined, that's not defined. Infinity. Here root 3. Write here root 3. Cot 45 degree 1. And here we have for 30 degree 1 by root 3. So here 1 by root 3 and here 0. Is it clear? And for sec theta, What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. Clear? 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. So 1 by 1, it's 1. 1 by root 3 by 2. So it's reciprocal, right? It will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Clear? For secant theta, it's 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta in the sense 1 into root 3 by 2. So it will be like upside down. 2 by root 3. It's reciprocal. And here we have 1 by root 2. So it's root 2 by 1. That's root 2. 1 by 2. So 2 by 1. It's 2. So here we have 1 into 0, right? It's undefined. 1 by, we have 1 by cos theta, right? So 1 by 0. What is it? It's undefined. So not defined. So infinity. So opposite of sec is cosecant. Opposite of sec is cosecant theta. Sorry. Opposite of secant theta is cosecant theta. Clear? Otherwise, we know by the formula we have 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta equal to cosecant theta. Is it clear? So, while you divide by 1 by sin theta, you will be getting this value, or opposite. Opposite is little bit will be easier. You don't have to do any calculations. Infinity, and here we have 2, and here root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Is it clear? We can see to an example that has been asked in some competitive exams, the repeated questions, by using the table, how it is helpful for us. Okay. If tan theta cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, then find the value of sin theta minus 15 degree. Okay, our question is, if tan theta cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, they have given the value for tan theta cos 30 degree, then we should find the value for sin of theta minus 15 degree. Clear? So we have tan theta cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. So tan theta equal to root 3 by 2. Take this to right hand side. So 1 by cos 30 degree. Clear? Taking this to right hand side, root 3 by 2 into 1 by cos 30 degree. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by, what is cos 30 degree from the table? By remembering this easily you can find the values. Clear? So root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degree. So root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 2 by root 3. As it is 1 by root 3 by 2, take reciprocal 2 by root 3. So everything get cancelled. The value is 1. So tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta equal to, what is tan theta 1? What is the value for 1? This is 1, right? Tan theta 45 degree is 1. So tan 45 degree. Tan and tan get cancelled. So theta equal to 45 degree. Clear? So theta equal to 45 we have. So from this we should find the value of sin of theta minus 15 degree. So write sin of theta minus 15 degree. So what is theta value? 45 degree minus 15 degree. Right? So 45 degree minus 15 is 30. So sin 30 degree. So what is the value for sine 30 degree? Here it is 1 by 2. So our answer is sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, just remember those like methods what have been we used for the table, and just for these kind of examples we can apply all the tables. Clear? Thank you friends for watching my channel.